Well, as a founding member of the UN Global Compact, the world's biggest corporate sustainability initiative, we're delighted that we're hosting the Nordic Network meeting here in Gothenburg, Sweden. Over 100 representatives from companies and organisations will meet to discuss how business can best support the Sustainable Development Goals and tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges. Well, the private sector is uniquely positioned to make a real difference with its creativity, innovation and resource. Well, the automotive industry again can really help drive progress, not least in responding to changing consumer demands. For example, consumers are increasingly requiring more sustainable transport, not least in terms of reduced emissions, but also in terms of the material within the vehicles. Sustainability has a really important impact on employer choice. People are increasingly wanting to work for a company that plays a positive role in society. Here at Volvo Cars, our sustainability programme On Tanker has 9 commitments, setting out how we'll minimise our environmental impact, maximise our social impact and care for our customers and employees. Well, we have several ambitious but achievable targets, such as selling 1 million electrified vehicles by 2025 and having climate neutral manufacturing operations by the same year. These commitments are personally led and driven by our President and CEO Håkan Samuelsson, and they're central to our corporate strategy as we recognise they are key to our future success. From a Volvo Cars perspective, a sustainable approach is not only the right thing to do, but makes sound commercial sense, it drives internal engagement and attracts the best talent.
At Volvo, everything we do starts with people. It is who we are. Our vision is that no one will be killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo car by the year 2020. We do this by taking a holistic approach to car safety. We use what we call the circle of life to guide our work. It all starts with real-world accident data.
Volvo's accident research team has been collecting data since the 1970s. This approach is unique in the auto industry. No one else has such a depth of real-world crash data to work with.
We use this data to set our safety requirements and begin our development process. Our aim is to reduce the number of fatalities and serious injuries by using the latest and most relevant technology available, and by developing new solutions where none currently exist. Run-off road accidents are a good example. Every year, run-off road accidents cause severe injuries and fatalities.
Volvo tackled this type of accident in two ways. Firstly, by developing a preventive safety system designed to keep the car on the road where possible, and secondly, by creating a safe environment in the cabin for the occupants if a run-off road accident is unavoidable. By approaching real-life safety in this way, Volvo focuses on identifying the causes and minimizing the effects of accidents.
With our next generation of safety systems, we aim to address other common and often fatal accident types. By understanding the nature of accidents, we can tackle the causes and better predict the outcomes.
Volvo's new steer assist features identify and respond to moving objects from ahead and from vehicles that approach from behind when required, delivering an underlying sense of confidence and added control to the driving experience.
We believe that the driving experience should be based around people's needs and the realities of modern roads and traffic conditions. Safety is the very foundation for everything we do. It always has been, and it always will.